Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students, start. We have heard learned counsel for the parties at length and peruse the record. Stop para. Appellant oblique husband is aggrieved by the impugned judgment and decree dated 11/4/2019 passed by the first additional principal judge family court Raipur in HMA number 366 oblique 15 dismissing his application under section 13 within bracket 1 within bracket I dash A bracket close of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 within bracket for brevity the act bracket close for grant of divorce. Stop para. Facts of the case, briefly stated, are that the parties were married on 17/4/2009 as per Hindu rites and rituals. They have a daughter baby, Kusum, residing with the respondent oblique wife. It was pleaded in the application that from the very next day of the marriage, the respondent insisted to leave the matrimonial house, but on persuasion stayed for 5-6 days and called her mother to return to her parental house, but did not come back for 15-20 days. Thereafter, when she reached the matrimonial house, she bolted the door of her bedroom and did not open, on which police was called for opening the door. After 3-4 days, she left the house alone at about 8 p.m. in the night and was somehow persuaded to return to her house. Her mother informed the elderly persons of the society that she is a schizophrenic, which was not informed to the appellant before marriage. The respondent went back to her parental house and returned to the appellant's house after 1 month. During this time, she was administered treatment by quack and psychiatrist. However, her abnormal behavior continued. Therefore, she was taken to a psychiatrist, Dr. Arun Anshu Parial. The respondent used to wear white sari without putting bangles and vermilion on her forehead, which are symbol of a married woman. Meeting of caste panchayat was convened, but the situation did not improve. She used to call elderly persons in the in-laws family by their name, and on one night she jumped to the neighbor's house from the roof of appellant's house. She used to leave her matrimonial house every now and then without any rhyme or reason. When the appellant and other family members objected to her behavior, she used to filthily abuse them and locked the door from inside. Various other incidents of her abnormal behavior have been mentioned in the plaint. Stop para. In her reply, the respondent denied the plaint allegations, comma, however, she would not make any allegation of cruelty or demand of dowry against the appellant or his family members. She denies to have signed any letter of undertaking before the caste panchayat or counseling. The written statement does not contain any specific pleading. Stop para. In course of trial, the appellant examined himself as PW1, Shashi Bhushan Kshatriya as PW2 and Rajiv Khishku as PW3. The respondent examined herself as DW1. Stop para. In the deposition, the appellant reiterated the plaint averments and proved the documents. During cross-examination, respondent has not been able to elicit any material statement in support of respondent's defense. Appellant's witness, namely Shashi Bhushan Kshatriya within bracket PW2 bracket close, has also supported the appellant's case by making a specific submission that his wife has seen the respondent trying to kill her daughter as also her husband within bracket appellant bracket close by pressing their neck. In her deposition, respondent wife admits the fact of her treatment by psychiatrist Dr. Arun Anshu Parial. She also admits that her mother has lodged a report against herself and that quarrel used to take place with her husband. She also admits meeting of caste panchayat and counseling as well as documents within bracket EXP9 and EXP10. At the end of deposition, she admits that she also wants to seek divorce but immediately retracts the statement. Stop para. The documentary evidence within bracket EXP2, P3 and P6 bracket close, the applications filed by the appellant before Mahila Police, Raipur specifically speaks of respondents' abnormal behavior and her treatment by Dr. Arun Anshu Parial. EXP7 is the minutes of counseling. In this document, duly signed by the respondent, she has undertaken that henceforth she will not try to commit suicide. The counseling records that the appellant was advised to facilitate respondents' treatment by a psychiatrist. In the counseling held on 5/9/2014, respondent's mother made allegation against her daughter that she picks up quarrel and assaults her within bracket mother bracket close and her husband within bracket appellant bracket close. EXP8 is the treatment slip of the respondent issued by Dr. Arun Anshu Parial. Albeit this psychiatrist has not been examined, but the document itself has been admitted by the respondent in her cross examination. In her written undertaking before the caste panchayat, she admits that she had assaulted son of her jeth as also her mother-in-law, which she will not repeat. Stop para. We shall now advert to some of the judgments rendered by the Supreme Court wherein the concept of mental cruelty has been explained. Stop. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.